All our to get ready with me as I go to work. This week we hit Commodore Elite Hotel. Commodore Elite Hotel, very beautiful in City, 1 hour away from here. But before that, I was like, nah man, let me whip up a little bit of a breakfast, lunch or whatever it might be called. Didn't book a catch up in City, the anime on ETV. Now it's time to guess. Must see a party, baby. After that, I rocked on my gray pants with that white tee, guys, And then I put on my jersey. Today we are wearing black and white and gold. That is suave. A little bit cha-cha-cha. Time to go to work, Baba. Hello, baby. Hello, my love. Here's the place that we live in. We call it a lodgement. I don't know why. Turkish people are weird. But these are the cars outside. Different cars. We have different cars in the company. Now sporty. How? Can't do sporty by beginning. Only to find out the game in the morning. It's figure in the morning. And then I went to the back and then I saw Jack. Jack is also here. That's the name of the dog. And then the drivers are here. They're smoking. These people smoke too much. But crazy. Tama people really tablet. Forgot the iPad, not the tablet, iPad. Chance sebenzisa iPhone app. Sebenzisa iPhone. On the way to work, Tlang radio. How? Utshwala bam, chance. Intake on the radio. I'm proud, gents. I'm proud to be a South African. Don't lie. Utshwala bam playing on the radio. Commodore Elite. This is the gate outside. We go to the back. Starting monitor. We take the case. We take our bags, our costumes. We take what's this? The cable bag. Everything for us to connect. This is the tunnel that we use to go to the show. Now it's time for the flash mob. This is the restaurant. We're going to do a flash mob right now in 2 seconds. You're gonna hear me starting the flash mob. Come again. Come on. Well, after the flash mob, it's time to eat. It's time to eat in the restaurant. They didn't have nice food. So I tried to mix here and there, some chicken, beef, and corn, and rice. This is the view outside, very beautiful view. Now I'm going to eat. Let me eat.
How are you?
Hi.
Thank you so much, man.
Right above.
Yeah.
We're ready for a show. Time we are. Yeah, so my time. Sazenza ntoni for me pha. Uhleka ntoni?
Bolo uzalethi zizwayika ufuna
Uhleka ntoni?
ufuna
Faka isolo pha kusikhathi kamatha. Faka isolo kamatha. Sihlala namhlanje solo mama. Solo. Kule kwanele solo matha sayifuna namhlanje.
Ulenza welcome.
Hey, David. Faka isolo. Solo. What do I think? Quarter to sound check. Sound check 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2
1 2 mic check 1 2 1 2 3 testing 1 2 1 See, 1 2 3 1 2 see 1 Sergeant 1 2 see 1 2 Sergeant 1 2 see 1 2